Hello and welcome everyone to a new video in your channel, Mr. Tech Tips. Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and don't forget also to like this video. In today's video, I will show you how to change your Netflix plan on the app and on the mobile without the use of any computer. The app that we will be using is the app of Google Chrome. So we open the web browser from your mobile phone, of course. And after opening the web browser, you open your Netflix account on it, and then you need to click on the three lines on the top left of the screen. After that, you click on Account, and then you need to scroll down a little bit until you find Plan Details. For example, for me, my actual plan is Basic HD. To change your plan, you just need to click on Change Plan. And as you can see here, there is 3 plans. For some countries, there is 4 plans. For Tunisia, there is 3 plans. The first one is the basic, the standard, and the premium. Of course, the prices, for example, for Tunisia, $4 for the basic, $8 for the standard, $10 for the premium. These prices may change when your country changes, so they are not the same, those prices for all the country. So you choose the plan that you want, and then after that you click on continue and you confirm your payment, and like that you will change your actual plan in Netflix to another plan that you want to upgrade or to downgrade your subscription on the Netflix. So I hope you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and don't forget also to like this video, and see you in the next one.